Welcome Masonic Center, my name is Henrik Moos. I'm here from Denmark, from Danfoss IXA, to present to you the world's greatest clean tech idea. What we have is an infrared gas sensor that can save up to 30% of the energy in ventilation applications, but also continuously monitor emissions from ships and industrial applications. Every day, lots and lots of energy is wasted in the climate control of greenhouses and of, for instance, chicken stables. And it is so because there is no sensor robust enough to measure the climate between the plants or between the livestock. Every day, tons and tons of NOx and SOx gases are spewed into the San Francisco Bay from ships like the one we see behind me. With our sensor, we can measure these emissions inside the chimney and provide the data to the systems that can reduce the NOx. This technology is not available on the market today. This is very new that the emissions can be monitored continuously inside the chimney with a sensor as small and robust as ours. This is a breakthrough technology. This is our gas sensor, but first let me explain to you our unique and proprietary measurement principle. Here we have our infrared source, here we have free air, here we have our sight glass, and behind the sight glass is our sensor electronics. We emit a broadband infrared radiation, and CO2, for instance, will absorb this radiation at a specific frequency. So if we let exactly this frequency pass through our sight glass, we can measure with the electronics on one side of the glass how much CO2 is on the other side of the glass. Translated into our prototype, this is our source, this is the measuring field, and this is the hermetically sealed box that enables the sensor to work in environments where no other sensor can work. What is the value of our IPR? Our patents allow us to have the sensor electronics in the hermetically sealed box, and we can measure in free air. This is unique because that makes for a very, very robust sensor. And you might ask, but the sight glass, why doesn't that contaminate? Well, it doesn't, because we have patent on a nano-coated surface on the sight glass, so it doesn't contaminate. And the hermetically sealed box makes the sensor robust enough to last up to 10 years in the harsh environments, in stables, in greenhouses, and also as an emission sensor. And when we're working inside a chimney, there's infrared radiation enough so that we actually do not need the source. We can simply place the sensor on the side of the chimney and look through the sight glass and measure how much emission is in there. That is the uniqueness of this sensor. This is our technology built in a sensor for greenhouses. It measures CO2 temperature and humidity here. It harvests its energy from the sun, and it measures the leaf temperature with a sensor in the nose. It communicates wirelessly to the climate control system of the greenhouse, and it can follow the plants through the production. Not only is the Danfoss IXA sensor a very good sensor, it's also a very good business. Independent studies from the Danish research institute Cleantech has shown that the owner of a 500,000 square feet greenhouse has $200,000 in his pocket year one. We also have a field test going on with the world's biggest shipping company, Maersk. We're proving that by reducing the ventilation in cargo hold, he will have $200,000 in his pocket year one per ship. And bear in mind that Maersk operates 500 container ships worldwide. How will we scale our business? We want to maintain a lean and efficient development organization. We have corporations today with the leading players of the world in the segments we have chosen. So we will outsource all manufacturing and distribution to suppliers that are focused on making efficient manufacturing and distribution within the industry sector. So they will manufacture our products all the way to box build and distribute them to our customers that then will reach out in the global market. I've told you how our unique and proprietary technology can enable energy savings of up to 30% and how it can do continuous emissions monitoring. But this is only the beginning. The potential is far, far bigger, because the technology is obviously also very suitable for indoor air quality control in commercial buildings. It's suitable for breath analysis and diagnosis in the medical sector. It's suitable for fire detection and movement detection. Danfoss IXA is the world's best Cleantech idea because we have the proprietary technology, we have the scalable business, and we create value for our customers in day one with payback times as low as 2 to 3 months and up to 500% return on investment.